In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Slides. First, open your web browser, sign into your Google account, and launch Google Slides. The quickest way is to click the apps grid in the top right of the Google homepage and choose Slides. This takes you to your Slides dashboard, where your presentations are stored and ensures everything you do saves automatically as you work. From the homepage, either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you already know where you want to add bullet points, opening that deck will save time. If you're starting fresh, create a new presentation from the homepage so you can set things up exactly how you want. Next, navigate to the specific slide where you want your bullet points. Click inside an existing text box to place your cursor where the list should appear. If the slide doesn't have a text box yet, go to the insert menu at the top and select text box, then click and drag on the slide to draw one. Position and size it so your text has enough room to breathe and remains easy to read. Type the lines of text you want to turn into bullets, or select the existing lines you want to format. Each separate line will become its own bullet, which helps keep your ideas clear and scannable. If you plan to add more points, you can type them first or add them after you apply the bullets. Now look up to the top toolbar and click the bullet point icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines with dots next to them. The moment you click it, your selected text becomes a bulleted list. If you prefer, you can click the icon before you start typing, and every new line you create will automatically appear as a bullet. Take a moment to review and adjust your slide. Resize the text box if your bullets wrap awkwardly or feel cramped. Use the font controls in the toolbar to change the typeface size and color so your list stands out while staying on brand. If a point needs to sit under another as a subpoint, use the indent controls to tweak the hierarchy, keeping the main ideas at the top level and related details indented underneath. Bullet points make your slides clearer, easier to scan, and more engaging for any audience. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.